How to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see some of the steps that will help you fix if your some keys on your laptop keyboard are not working in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, give your device a restart. Sometimes a simple restart can fix your keyboard issue. So restart your device. After that, check whether your keyboard is now working or not. If that still does not help you, now head towards your start menu on this toolbar, right click on it. From this menu box, you have to click on Device Manager. On your device manager, head towards keyboard and click on that's gonna expand. After that, you have to right click on your keyboard and here click on update driver, and here go with search automatically. After that, if there is an update in your driver, that's gonna install it. If your updating does not work, then you can uninstall the driver and restart your laptop. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. And if this still does not help you, now check for the Windows update. Again, you can press Window key plus I in your device. That's gonna open up your settings. Once you're here, head towards the Windows update from your left hand side, and once you land on this page, here check for the updates, and if there is any pending updates, you have to install it. Once you do that, go back and check whether that help you fix your problem or not. If that still does not help you, then the keyboard might be faulty. You have to consider getting it repaired or using an external keyboard. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.